Okay, so now we are arriving the checkpoint going to Lingapura, or we can say Koke today. So this is the protected forest. Yeah. So inside the site there are many species of bird. We have a lot of woodpecker. We have a lot of falcon, eagle, many kind of raptor that you can see in this place. So it is such a great place to shoot bird. So when people coming to visit the city, they always stop at the checkpoint to get the ticket to go inside, because this area no people living there in the night time. Everybody move out, so that is why we have chance to see many bird. It is very quiet area, so that is a good place. Nobody disturb the bird, and nobody destroy the forest. So the bird build a nest, live there, breeding there easily. So we will try 5 more minutes and then we will get to the site, the complex. Thank you very much. Okay, we going now. Okay, everybody, now we are in the CDF forest in Koke City or Lingapura. So here around me there are many beautiful birds, but one of the most interesting, it is bee eater. And here there are two kinds of bee eater. You cannot find this bee eater inside the town, inside the countryside, inside the grassland, but here you can see in DDF. So these two bee eater are Asian green bee eater and chestnut-headed bee eater. So I will show you these two birds, and they are now together. They are now together. Okay, now before I tell you, before I describe how do they look like, please think by yourself first. Yeah. So one is small and one is a little bit bigger. One is smaller than 20 centimeter and another one is 22 or 23 centimeter. And both of them, they have green upper part. Now you try to see the picture. Both of them, they have green upper part. And they have the same black band here. Black band. And they have the black mask. So these three things, they have the same thing. But what is the difference? Look at the throat. Look at the throat. One bee eater, it has blue throat. Can you see that? One bee eater, it has blue throat. And another bee eater, it has white or yellow throat. Or we can say chestnut. But it's a little bit white and yellow. And this is another difference. Look at the chestnut head. Both of them have chestnut head, but one is only chestnut on the head and at the back, just at menthol. But one more, it has chestnut head, but on the back, half back, is also chestnut. Now can you tell the difference? Asian green bee eater and chestnut-headed bee eater. Now look by yourself and try to identify the bird by yourself. Okay, but no worry, I will tell you at the end who is who.